Louise, Lear, hello.
Thanks, Jane. Hello. 2 words to sum up the next 2 days. Unseasonably windy. And we've already seen the first signs of that, actually, during the early hours of this morning with Storm Ellen that moved across the Republic of Ireland and brought gusts of winds in excess of 80 miles an hour at its peak. Now, low pressure is going to influence the story and keep things unseasonably windy for the next few days with a case of sunny spells and scattered showers. If we take a look at the satellite picture, you can see that area of low pressure sitting out in the Atlantic, just to the north, the remnants of what was Ellen, and that's where we'll continue to see the strongest of the winds this afternoon. Potentially some sharp showers into Northern Ireland, western fringes of Scotland, northwest England and Wales as well. But it is an afternoon of contrast because further east in comparison to yesterday, well, it's a lovely day. Lots of sunshine coming through, dry after that miserable wet day, and it'll feel quite warm with temperatures mid to high 20s. That's the mid 70s. But that low pressure influencing the story through the night tonight, and to the southern flank of that low, we'll see the winds picking up again, gusts in excess of 60 to 70 miles an hour. That, coupled with spring tides, could bring some localised flooding, coastal flooding that is. Now, it'll be a relatively mild start to Friday, but there will be a spell of wet weather, some of it quite heavy for a time. That's going to be drifting its way steadily northwards. It's really worth emphasising that Friday will be widespread windy weather right across the country. So into the afternoon, we're likely to see gusts of winds in excess of 30 to 40 miles an hour with some sharp showers across Scotland. Stronger winds, though, for England and Wales. Inland 50 miles an hour on exposed coast in excess of 60 miles an hour with a few scattered showers as well. So a very unseasonably windy day. That said, the further south and east you go, you should get to see more sunshine. And again, those temperatures peaking at 25 Celsius. It's going to feel very odd when you factor in the strength of the wind. For the start of the weekend, the low pushes off into Scandinavia. We start to see the isobars open up just a touch. A weather front will bring some rain into Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England. It's going to be a blustery day, but not quite as windy on Saturday. And again, central and southern parts of England should see some sunshine coming through. And we start to lose that humidity. So for many, perhaps a little more pleasant with top temperatures of 22 degrees. There you go. Back to you, Jane.